Continuing with our basic circuit, we're going to now add a series of resistors, and we're going to use the same 330 ohm resistor that we used last time. So we're building from the basic circuit, so if you haven't watched that, you're going to need to watch that. And I have my power disconnected while I work on the circuit. Right now I have one resistor. I'd like you to add two more. So I'm going to remove the 330 ohm resistors. And now I'm going to put them in series. And to do that, I'm actually going to shift one leg of this over so I have enough room I can show you what I'm doing. And I'm going to bend the leads of my resistors. And I am going to connect these in such a way that now I have two resistors in series, and you'll see that the leads here are connected through row 10, and I'm over here on row 16 now. I'm going to add the third resistor. And making sure that I'm adding these resistors and connecting them through the row here. So these two resistors now are completing the circuit because they're connected through row 10. These are connected, these two resistors are connected through row 16. And of course here in row 4 the LED is connected. So now it's essentially as if all of these are connected in a series, in a row. I'm going to add my ground over here, my black negative power, and of course this is my 9-volt battery, and I'm going to connect over here. Now I'm going to turn the light off, see if you can see a difference between the color of the LED, the brightness of it. Now what's happening here, I'm going to turn my light back on, is that electricity is flowing through this entire circuit. And if I were to, I'm going to turn the light off here, I'm going to see if I can remove the two resistors from the circuit by just adding this. Now I'm hoping that you will see that the brightness of the LED is that it should be brighter, because right now I'm skipping these two resistors. And resistors, you'll see if you haven't watched the video, restrict the flow of electricity, just like they would suggest, the name suggests. So right now there's only one resistor in the circuit, and if I move the power over to the very end, the brightness will change. And I'm going to move this back and forth to see if you can see that. Here, that's brighter because there's fewer resistors in the circuit, and I'm going to move over here, and the LED is dimmer. It's not emitting as much light, and that's because there are more resistors in the circuit. And you might want to experiment with adding a fourth or even fifth resistor to this to see if you can really significantly change the brightness. And I can go down the line all the way over to here to change the brightness.